Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 5. The balance of an account after 2 years can be found using the expression 6,000 times 1.02 to the t power, where the initial balance was 6,000. By what percent does the account increase annually? All right, so in your formula sheet, you're going to see these formulas in your formula sheet, and we've talked about them in class as well, but you're going to see that exponential growth is A. A is your 6,000 in this case, that's your initial value, and then times 1 plus r to the t power. So remember, anything times 1 gives you that number back. So if I do 6,000 times 1, I get 6,000. So the interest rate is added to 1 to make sure that it's exponential growth. If it's exponential decay, that's why we subtract the interest rate, because it would be less than what you started with. So 1 minus 5% would be 0.95 times the initial value, and that would make the value go down. And then t just represents the amount of time that's went by. All right, so this says by what percent does the account increase annually? So if the number here is 1.02, you know that you have 1 plus the interest rate. So 0.02, and if you convert that to a percent, you move the decimal 2 places, and that's equivalent to 2%. C is the correct answer.